To open your Chrome browser in a private way, simply go to your browser icon below. Hello everyone, how are you today? In this tutorial video I want to show you how you can open your Chrome browser in a private way. Simply go to your browser, as you can see here, your Chrome browser, and below, okay, right click and go to new incognito window. That's mean it's in private way. Okay, as you can see, the color of the Chrome browser turned to black. So here guys, read here. Now you can browse privately and other people who use this device won't see your activity. However, download, bookmarks and reading list items will be saved. Okay, so now guys, you can browse in this browser in the safety way without any saved data, without any history or cookies. So go to your Google Ad example and search for anything you want. That's it guys, it's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.